Welcome to Fish Farming TV. Today I'm showing you how you can design a small aquaponic system at your backyard to grow fish and vegetables at the same time. Building an aquaponic pond involves combining aquaculture, raising fish, and hydroponics, growing plants with or without soil, into a symbiotic environment. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build an aquaponic pond. Steps to build the aquaponic pond. 1. Select a location. Choose a sunny spot for the grow beds if you're growing plants that need light. Ensure easy access to electricity for pumps and aeration. 2. Set up the fish tank. Clean the tank or pond thoroughly. Install the water pump to circulate water to the grow beds. Install the air pump to provide oxygen to the fish. 3. Construct the grow beds. Place grow beds above the fish tank for a gravity-fed system, or at the same level if using a pump. Fill grow beds with the chosen grow media. 4. Plumbing. Connect the water pump to the grow beds using pipes and fittings. Ensure there is a system to drain water back to the fish tank, for example a bell siphon. These are the materials needed for this project. Fish tank, a pond or tank to house the fish. Grow beds, containers to hold plants. Water pump, to circulate water between the fish tank and grow beds. Air pump, to oxygenate the water for the fish. Grow media, such as gravel, clay pellets, or other inert media to support plant roots. Pipes and fittings, for water circulation. Fish, choose hardy species like tilapia or catfish. Plants, vegetables, herbs, and leafy greens work well or anyone available to you. 5. Cycling the system, fill the system with water and run the pump. Add ammonia or fish to start the nitrogen cycle. Monitor water quality and wait for beneficial bacteria to establish, can take 4 to 6 weeks. 6. Add fish and plants. Once the system is cycled, add fish to the tank. Plant seedlings in the grow beds. 7. Maintenance. Regularly check water quality, pH, ammonia, nitrite, nitrate levels. Feed fish and monitor their health. Trim and harvest plants as needed. Tips that is necessary. Balancing, maintain a balance between the number of fish and plants. Too many fish can produce excess waste, while too few plants can't absorb enough nutrients. Temperature. Ensure the water temperature suits both the fish and the plants. Backup power. Consider a backup power source for pumps and aeration in case of power outages if you are using aerator. This guide provides a basic framework for building an aquaponic pond. Adjustments may be necessary based on your specific conditions and goals. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so we can bring more content across to you.